Hello, I'm Nate. Now I'm in a factory, and in this video, I'm going to show you a vending machine accept only member card. This is a middle pickup vending machine. Elevator, direct push slot, and 3 floors of spiral slot with 22-inch touch screen. A member card reader. Let me show you how it works. Select product from the touch screen. Tag the member card. The elevator will go up. Conveyor belt will deliver the product to the pickup door. The pickup door will open, so I can get the product. It will close, and it's with sensor. It will not hit the hand. If you want a vending machine for members only, please contact us.